The display will indicate that cleaning is required. Press Start. Fill a container with 500 ml of warm water and insert a cleaning tablet. Check if the water tank is completely filled and refill if necessary. Empty the drip tray and the waste bin. Clean with a moist, clean towel. Open the refrigerator and remove the milk tube from the milk pack. Remove the milk tube from the machine and rinse under a running tap. Reinstall the milk tube. Press the button behind the milk outlet to release the outlet and clean the outlet under a running tap. Reinstall the milk outlet. Open the refrigerator and place the milk tube in the container with the dissolved cleaning tablet. Place an empty container under the drink outlets. Press the arrow to start the cleaning cycle. Very hot water is running from the outlet. Remove and empty the container and place it back on the cup tray. Press the arrow to continue the cleaning cycle. Remove the containers from the refrigerator and the cup tray. Place the milk pack in the refrigerator and insert the milk tube. Clean the exterior. Use a food-grade, non-abrasive, non-aggressive cleaning agent.